Well, new at 11 tonight, Albany County Sheriff Craig Apple is just one of the parties named in a lawsuit that blames authorities for the death of an inmate last July. Craig Smith has a look back at what happened and why that woman's family says someone has to be held accountable.
29-year-old FreIrene Bamenga was detained by U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement after ICE refused to let her leave the country. Her husband says ICE picked her up when she was trying to get into Canada to fly home to Paris. He thought she would be free within a day.
Every day that goes, I can't stop thinking of her.
Her crime was attempting to leave. The reason she was detained is because some stamps were missing in a valid French passport.
Eventually, she was brought to the Albany County Jail. The lawsuit claims ICE agents took the position Bamenga was really trying to enter the U.S. illegally. Her U.S. visitor's passport was expired. Her husband was living in the U.S. legally. According to the lawsuit, Bamenga needed to take medicine for chronic congestive heart failure. The lawsuit says everyone named in the lawsuit knew about her condition and had her medicine, but didn't do what they should have done to make sure she got it. Sheriff Craig Apple is among those named. He told me only that he thinks his office will not be found liable. Here he is talking about it last August.
There was no way anybody could have prevented it?
We don't know. She was being treated for, the heart condition. She was taking medicine from the facility. We were aware that she had an issue. Her cellmates had yelled out that she needed help, and, we had an officer right there. Got our medical staff right there. In the meantime, an ambulance already en route, transported to Albany Memorial, and she was pronounced dead.
Supporting evidence includes paperwork Bamenga filled out telling doctors about shortness of breath and palpitations. She died 2 days after filling out the forms. Craig Smith, CBS 6 News.